Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Ultra and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the additional settings. Then let's tap on the accounts and sync and tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and then tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can always remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on the account, tap on more and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.